So at this point we now have our domain name and we're ready to now get a hosting account in which to place our content on. And obviously we need to then connect the two together. So again, I've gone into Google and searched for hosting here. There's lots of options available to you. I'm actually going to go with this one here, hostgator.com. And the page load is up here. And we want to get, if we choose here just the view web hosting plans, you're looking for something called shared hosting. There are other options available and you're welcome to check those out. But for now, for ease of setup, we're going to be looking at you getting a shared hosting account. Just going across here, you can either go with a business plan, which gives you unlimited pretty much everything. You can go with a middle account called a baby plan, which again gives you unlimited bandwidth, disk space and domains. So this is always a good account to start with. The hatchling plan is okay if you're only ever going to have a single domain. The reason why a baby plan is a good choice is because you can get unlimited domains on the account as well. It's entirely up to you. Let's just say we're going to presume we're going to go with the baby plan and I want to pay for it monthly. We just go ahead and we order now. Now this is where I mentioned before in previous videos that our hosting provider also does domain registration as well. But the thing you'll see here is that they're actually more expensive than the domain name suggestion company we recommended originally. And that's why we keep the two separate. It's entirely up to you how you want to. If you want to tie them both together, you could go ahead and proceed here and then they'll search out the domain for you. But we've got our domain name already, so we're going to put it into here. So let's say we called ours yoursvideoshere.com. We continue to step 2. And now we want to choose, we've already got it come up here, we're getting a discount already given to us by HostGator. We create ourselves a username and a security PIN number. Complete our billing information down here. We can choose to pay by credit card or PayPal. And then we go ahead and create our account. And once we've done that and it's been paid, we'll get an actual welcome email from HostGator telling us that the billing's been paid. Or if it's on credit card, it will due to be paid. And then we'll get another email telling us success that our domain has actually been registered. Once you've gone through the process of confirming your payment, you'll actually get a welcome email from HostGator which tells you new account info, and you'll have details telling you where you can log into the billing system to make future payments and the password to access the area. You'll also be given your control panel, login details, domain name, username and password. Now the control panel is to access cPanel of your account. Now the things you want to also make a note of is your domain name, your username and your password. Just perhaps copy them into a notepad file because you're going to be using those for what's called FTP, and later in the videos we'll show you how you do that. Then this is what we're looking for at this point. It's your name servers. Take a note of that because in the next video I'm just going to walk you through how you connect the name servers of your domain name that you purchased, which you did in the first video, and then how you connect them to your hosting account that you've just completed your purchase of on this video. So take a note of your name servers for name server 1 and 2, and then go over to the next video and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.